Got another little project on the Clio today. It's missing something, it sounded a bit odd. So, on further inspection, tailpipe silencer was hanging off. So we had to pull it off and we're just left with a pipe there. I've had some trouble with my back recently. So I decided I was going to get a quote to get this done somewhere. Went to a local garage. It wasn't an extortionate quote, it was about 270 quid, which is good. I know that the garage have got costs to cover and that's their trade, but I just couldn't justify not doing this myself, so I'm going to power through and hope the back's okay. Backbox cost me 75 quid with a discount code from GSF. So let's go underneath and have a look. Just a note on the back boxes. Luckily I saw when this one fell off the orientation of the hanger and the pipe. Everything I looked at online seemed to be a sort of triangular back box. So hopefully this is the one. Let's go underneath and take a look. Okay, so under the car is something like that. We do have the hanger. That is all good to go and ready for a replacement one. See the end of the dodgy pipe there, and you can see where it bolts on there. So it is the correct exhaust. First thing for us to take a look at. So what I'm going to do now is undo that clamp. I'm going to brush it and spray it and take that off, and hopefully that old pipe will come off without too much mither. So that's the existing clamp. Just going to spray it down, give it a bit of a brush on the old threads. Got to say the centre section isn't looking very good on this, so I think we'll have to be a bit careful when we're removing this one. So I'm going to use the gun. Let's try getting these undone. I think they're 13. You're back in 1 minute. Okay, they just came straight off with the gun. Let's take that clamp off, which I am hoping to reuse, and then see what the end's like. Okay, so I don't want to jinx myself. This could be the easiest repair ever if everything goes okay. Because of what's left on the pipe, I can just twist and wiggle. And that does appear to be coming off. Excellent. Okay, so that's what we've got left. So although it's rusty on the outside, the metal is still quite thick on it. So I think we should be okay. I am just going to give this a quick clean up with a wire brush, so the other one slides on as much as it can do. One thing I learned a long time ago is under rusty cars, always wear your goggles or some kind of safety glasses. You don't want bits of rust in your eye. Okay, I'm just going to try and manoeuvre the new pipe into place. I can rest it on this cross beam, but it's going to be a case of trying to feed this through here. It's a little bit tight, going in okay. I'm just gonna put it in. Need 2 hands for that and then come back. Okay, so that's gone particularly well. You can see that it's lined up with the hanger there. It's gone over the rear subframe and the connector is actually on the front there. So I'm just going to do the same thing again. Wiggle the connector with up and down motion and get it to slide on as much as I can. Okay, so I'm in the rear rubber. Everything's mounted at that, and this can move backwards and forwards. So what I'm going to do is just work on this end a bit more, make sure that's securely on the pipe as much as it can be, and then get the clamp back on. Okay, so the pipe's on and the clamp's on. Try to orientate the clamp so that it's pulling those 2 halves together as opposed to twisting it 90 degrees where it would still do it, but it's not a completely round screw type clamp. One of the better ones is just a U-bolt clamp. So put it opposed in the split so it should pull the split together, and that is on the inner exhaust pipe on this pipe. That is on that, so it'll clamp this new one around it. So I'm going to get that tightened up. Because of the orientation, I can't use the gun on the top one, so I'm just going to get a socket on that. Okay, so the clamp's tight, the exhaust secure. Just going to start it up and make sure we've got no leaks there. Okay, back under the car with the engine running. There's no leaks on that. So it's all good. Clamp's tightened up, all secure. Back in the hanger. That's the quickest exhaust back box I've ever done. Something else that's been really annoying on this car has been the audio cutting out on one side or the other. After a while of listening to it, it appeared to be the right side that was cutting out. So I wasn't sure if it had tweeters on there, but it doesn't. And a load of things online, ChatGPT said Renault speakers are terrible, but I've just managed to get this one to go off and then waggled the connector on the door and it was intermittent, crackly, and then came back on. So I've slid that up, removed the connector. All looks clean inside. I've just given it a clean with some IPA, dried it off, put it back on again. I've put the sound back on. I can't do it for copyright because it's the radio. It's all plugged back in, waggled it around, and it does seem secure now and solid. It's not going off. So that's 2 fixes on the Clio today. Another thing that I would like to look at some point, there's a little reverse camera that I fitted, which is absolutely fine, but if you look at the profile of the car, it's quite far back, the camera, so there's nowhere that you can actually put it which is going to allow you to see the edges of the car, because obviously it is quite round and also it's quite concave, sorry, convex. The only thing I could think of doing was maybe seeing if I could put it somewhere on here, sort of pointing down, so that you could at least see some of the corners of the car. Need to use your mirrors at the moment and just use the reverse camera for distance, which does work well, but it'd be nice to see the corners of the car. At the moment, the wiring for the camera is routed through the boot, out the boot and into the bumper. If it was to go on here, or if we were going to try it on here, we'd have to reroute it through this, which isn't a problem because that's where the power is anyway. The power feed goes down and is just behind that panel, but it is a black wire, so that was a bit of a pig to find when I was first doing it. So I could put the wire onto this, bring it down into the tailgate area, but it would mean drilling holes, which is project for another day, I think. But give us your thoughts on it. I don't even know where the Renault factory fit camera is on a Clio, so drop your comments and let me know, what would you do?